Hi everyone, welcome to HTML and CSS. In this lesson we are going to be looking into image with caption. So I want to build something like this, an image with a caption of a person, of a particular thing. Alright, so come with me even as we go to the main tutorial. Alright, the first thing I'm going to do is that I'm going to create a file. I'm going to name it image caption, sorry, .html, the image caption.html. Then we're going to all right, so we just bring in our document. Then I'm going to use the figure element. I'm going to use the figure element. So in the figure element, we are going to have open and close. Then I'm going to declare my image. So I'll just go and look for an image. Let me just give it animal, and then just copy a. Okay, we can go with any of them. Okay, let's go with this. Let's go with this. I'm just going to copy. I'll just copy the link address. So sorry, image address. I'll copy the image address. Sorry, image address, and I'm just going to paste it here. All right. Then I'm going to introduce a caption inside of it. I'm going to introduce a caption. So I'm going to call it fig caption. So I'm going to call it figure caption. So I'll call it, okay, let's call it red panda. That's the name of the animal. So we're going to call it, okay, let's call it fig caption, which is the figure caption. Let's call it red panda, but don't the name of the animal. All right, let's see what we have. Let's see what we have here. Okay, so we have the red panda. It's covering the entire screen. Okay, so the next thing I want to do now, let's style the figure. Let's style it. So we'll just come down to the body here. We'll declare our style element. Okay, so the first thing I want to do is that I'm going to style our figure first. So we'll give it a mass width, we'll give it a mass width of so sorry, let's give it a mass width of 300 pixel. So just 300 pixel, give it a mass width of 300 pixel. Now I want to quickly style the image. Let's style the image. So figure image. We're going to give it 100%. So width, we're just going to give it 100%. So give it 100%. So they can fit in perfectly. Yeah. So we don't need the height. Just give it a mass width. You just give it a width. Then let's see. So you can just fit in perfectly. So this is what we want to achieve. Just fit in perfectly on the screen, on the image. Okay, so let's let's give it a padding of let's give it 10 pixel. So I want to add a padding to the padding. Then for us to see the padding, we want to give it a background color. Let me get the background color of blue. Give it a deep blue. Give it a dark blue. Give it a dark blue. So you can see we have a dark blue. Then the next thing I want to do now. Okay, let's tie the text, which is fig caption text. Sorry, color color is white. Color is white. Color is white. So we want to align the text to be at the center. So just come to the figure. Come to the figure. So we say text align center. So I want to put it at the center. Yeah. So that's all. That's all. That's all. If you compare this with the one we had, is the same thing. So this is actually how to style an image with a caption. So thank you. See you in your lesson.